So like most people, I have many projects in the works. But today I was given the opportunity to take something home that makes another project, which including that, all of that, most of that. There's a lot of projects going on around here. But I just got this in today, and I was so excited that I figured I'd take a minute and show it off. So this is Hobart HLX Dudley scale, networked computing scale they call it. And I got this for free. They were throwing it out, and it has never been used. Not even once. So it's got everything with it. So I figured, why not? We'll do a little bit of an unboxing here, which is not something I usually do on this channel. I guess we'll start off here. USB drive, compact flash. We'll open that in a minute. Sure enough, there she is. The plastic wrap is tore a little bit, but that's okay. We got her out of there. We've got a nice little level here to tell us when the scale is level. So it's still got its cassette. No paper in it though. Comes with hardware. I don't have any paper to put in this cassette actually. Something came out of it though. Remove material, packing material, remove and discard. Okay. Under here, power cord, which we won't need, the platter, and the operator's guide. In case you were unaware, the platters always come with this blue film on top, which is notoriously annoying to peel up because it always tears like that. This little plate that was inside the cassette is actually just to block off the USB ports. I'm not going to be using that. One of those loose papers was a location guide. It also came with a quick start, supervisor, and operator guide. Obviously, I gotta know what's in here. Nice. A spare compact flash card, as expected, with apparently a really old version of Walmart software, and a branded flash drive, which is very sticky from age. On a lanyard, no less. So I suppose we should plug this thing and actually turn it on, huh? Almost forgot to peel the display on the back, huh? This lovely VFD back here. Power cord connects on the bottom here. Alright, she's plugged in. Let's hit the power back there. I hear the fan. HLX 1.3. RAM passed. That's a good sign. I have to pause later and see what that is. And it's Windows XP. That's about what I expected, which is... Alright, I think this thing has had it. It's had like 20 minutes to boot, and it's still doing this. See if that power button on the side does anything. Oop. And it got to it first try that time. Well then, use the date time applet. Okay. Well, sure enough, there's Windows XP's desktop. Yes, Windows configuration. Service mode. Remarkably, this display is still in calibration. System. AMD PCS, 499 megahertz. Ooh, it's got 512 megs of RAM. It has the upgrade. Sure, why not? We'll set the date and time. 1601. That mayhaps be our problem. Come on, you. Surprised how well that worked. Well, there you go. It's an computer. At the end of the day, it really is just a computer. I guess we restart into the scale application. Ooh, the printer just jumped. Initialization and loading sequence is complete. You may now begin. Awesome. Cassette open. Oh, the scale actually does work. Here, let's try and weigh a hard drive. Wow. Give me service mode. Insert the service key. You got it, bud. I inserted the service key. Hey, there's service mode. Okay, so that still works. Marquee. Oh, that's got to be the screen on the back. Okay, we got to try that. Okay, hold on. I hope this actually works, because this would be really cool. Oh, it sure does. Totally worth it for that. What is numeric? Is that the one underneath it? Oh, it's got to be that one. So it's got two lines. One is called marquee. The other one is called numeric. Neat. Well, that's it. And that's all I can show you, really, because I don't have anything to anything to weigh. So thank you very much for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, if you got any questions, want to see the inside of this thing, let me know in the comments. We'll pull the cover off in a future video, maybe.